Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be tackling the horror story, which is my vanity. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Nothing about it is aesthetic. This is me being depressed and also lazy and forgetting to put things away, and then it looks like this. I'm a monster. This is awful. And I decided one day I wanted to switch this up so I could not only sit in my chair and see the surface of my vanity, but have better storage options and just make it cleaner, because the setup I have right now, there was just too much on my vanity. So I decided to first clear it off and then to give it a deep scrub. Habit that I need to get better at is when I use the makeup product, put it back in the drawer, because then they just sit out all over your vanity, and I have so much makeup, it's better just to put it away and I can find it again later, and it's always in the spot that it's supposed to be. So I put all my face powders back in and all my bronzers, because I was going to do a bronzer declutter video, but I realized I didn't really have that many. I had like a maybe 10 or less, so I just scrapped that video idea, and I had them literally sitting on the floor in a basket for probably 3 weeks. So we're gonna put them back. We're not gonna be a messy monster anymore. This is a little hack, I would say. I have these acrylic little brush holders, makeup holders, whatever you want to call it, and they were all on my vanity or just not being used. So I got some really nice command strips. Make sure you use plenty, because I only used one once and then it fell later in the night. It scared the shit out of me. So just make sure you put a lot of command strips on there. So I had all my favorite brushes on one with Trixie and Katya, and then this one with the flower has a lot of my lip products from Red Beauty, and then a few little travel sprays. And then my husband, above where I had that Wicked poster, instead I put it on a different wall where it made more sense. And I had this last shelf he hung for me, and I put this little organizer thing I got at Walmart that I put eyeliners and brow stuff and just miscellaneous makeup. And then there's this jewelry holder, a little cherry perfume, another little holder with Ariana on it, and a little cute clock. And the Ariana one, I just put more makeup brushes and little razors, face razors. And I was trying to decide between a photo of me and my friend Chelsea or this little cute vintage little jewelry holder I found. So I went with this because I had a different idea where to put it. And is this like super aesthetic? No, It's just what I have going on. And I feel like that's pretty normal for most people. Your vanity room isn't gonna look like a magazine. I would love that one day, but this is what I have right now. I have this little Lazy Susan that I got to do like cool makeup shots on, but I barely use it, so I put it on here with another jewelry holder that's like a mirrored one, and then I layered some skincare around it, some perfume bottles that I really like, and a few little beautiful makeup products from Flower Knows Beauty that I like to have out. Next, I got gifted this lamp from my friend Alex. She was just gonna throw it out, and it's so beautiful. It's like a stained glass lamp. The little feet on it get me. I feel like Art Deco. I'm probably wrong. Gives fairy core. I put a little light bulb, and when the lights are off in this room, it's such a vibe. It's so cute and like cozy. I feel like I can sit at my vanity with this on and just like be cute and do whatever I want, my nails or whatever. And I put my picture of Chelsea and me and my favorite vintage mother of pearl compact that I got the best deal on. And then I have this little, I don't know what to call it, succulent, beautiful doll head lady that I got at an antique shop. It's like my pride and joy. I love this thing. I put that over there by my perfumes and my skincare. I also have this little shopping cart thing. I don't know where I got it, but I thought, hey, I'll put some of my e.l.f. lip oils that I really love and use a lot in there, as well as some just like simple Dazzle Dust eye things and this Lila B like lip and cheek things. I think Lila B is a no more, but I love the packaging. It's like a little worry stone. And then I have this little sample of a pore primer that I need to use. Next is this little section by my giant Glinda doll. They call it a fairy godmother on the plaque, but it's definitely Glinda. I put my makeup brushes, my little jar of makeup sponges and puffs, and then I have this vintage makeup loose powder thing that they used to put makeup in. Had like a little slot for a puff, but I just put hair ties and stuff. And then this is the Barbie doll that I like to call Ratchet Maggie. It's just me in a doll version. And I don't know, I'm a child at heart and it's fun. But I feel like this looks better. I kind of want to move the shelf up, but I'm not too bothered about it right now. I could always maybe put something above it to make it feel more cohesive. I have a lot of collection of little hand mirrors, so I put them all in this little container in this IKEA shelf that I have next to my vanity. Another thing I don't love, but I got a really good deal on it forever ago, so I'm going to keep it for now. But I like to have them in all one spot so I can pick which one I want to use for the day. Just put it over there next to my little jack-o'-lantern thing where I have more hairpins. Above my vanity, I have this beautiful LED cloud thing light that my friend Chelsea got me, and then a paper made plain. My Uncle Billy used to make these out of like nothing, and after when he passed away at his funeral, he had them all there so that the family could pick which one that they wanted to take home. And of course the pink one was very obvious for me. Everyone was like, you have to take that one, it's pink. But I have it flying above my head as a cute little reminder, and it just looks cute. And there's the vanity. It looks so much better. I can actually sit at it. I feel not anxious by the mess and not anxiety riddled by how gross it got. And you can actually see the counter. I can sit in the chair. The chair, it's just a Target swivel chair that I got years ago for Christmas. And this is actually a baby blanket that someone made my mom when me and my twin brother were born. He has a blue one, I have a pink one. And I just put it over our chair. I just like the vibe. And then I put a little pillow, and then I have this boba makeup bag that I use sometimes as a makeup bag or a purse. And I just hung that on the back. And I took one of my periwinkle cardigans I really like, and I just flung that over the top too, just to add more color. and I wear it a lot, so it just needs to be there where I can see it. But look at it, it's so beautiful. I can actually sit at it and not feel anxious. Look at that before. Actual disgusting, and after, so much better. I can't believe it. I'm very proud of myself. It looks so much better. I can actually have a clear mind, as they say. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a whole video planned for renters. We're probably going to be in our apartment for longer than we would love, but I want to do a little revamp of the apartment to make it feel more homey, since if we're going to be here, might as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!